But I start my new job on next Monday, so
Cool. What are you going to be doing there? Besides, I mean, lawyering, obviously.
Oh,
yeah, I'm going back to a firm downtown Tulsa,
Cool.
working. I think doing
whoa.
like railroad defense, nursing home defense, insurance defense, stuff like that. So
Gotcha. Well, Roman is
back
big.
to real lawyering instead of what I've been doing for years. So
Yeah, cool, man.
Oh, dang, it's two.
There are two, bro.
Oh, shoot.
Roman has a YouTube channel about trains, so we're pulled up to this intersection where a train always comes through, and he's talking about that.
Gotcha. Yeah, I mean we're down to meet up, and obviously I have never met Roman, so I'd love to meet him. So
Yeah, he is 11 years old as of yesterday, and so he comes up to my chest. So
he's got that young height, is what you're saying.
Well, sometimes he does, sometimes he don't. You know, I mean, there's times that I think he might be tall, and then other times I think he might be normal. You know, which in a way I hope he's normal because he can shop in regular stores and not have to buy shoes on the internet. You know, stuff like that. So,
I feel like something bad is about to happen.
no, this car just turned around, bud.
No, I mean like, ooh, no, that's where. Sort of.
Emmy's legs are as tall as Zach's and mine, pretty much.
Yeah.
Wow.
She got long. She got those Janie legs.
There you go. There you go. Nothing at all wrong with that.
Nope.
Nothing at all wrong with that. Well, I imagine she's spicy like Aunt Janie too.
She definitely is. She's very
that's
smart.
Cool.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah.
He's the brainiac. We'll see what Nathan turns into.
That's cool.
He's the one that's talking.
Yeah. It's true. I'll stop talking.
That's cool.
But yeah, holler at us. We'll be down for something.
Yeah, you guys are in Broken Arrow, so I've never been to Broken Arrow, so you guys just pick a place you want us to meet you, and I'll Google it and MapQuest it, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
MapQuest
Sounds
is
good.
just
What
Apple or
are
whatever it's
you
called.
and Roman like?
Well, Roman won't
What
eat
kind of food you
because
like?
he eats the same thing every day.
Right.
So
That's right.
I'm down for whatever. So whatever you guys have a hankering for.
All right. Sounds good, sir.
Copy that.
All right. Drive safe.
All right, we'll do it. We'll see you tomorrow.
All right. See you
All
tomorrow.
right, bye.
Bye.
Yep, no, this is cool. specific.